Hi, I'm Caitlin, a nurse practitioner here at your Wellness Center Med Spa. We use SkinTyte for mild to moderately loose skin. The most commonly treated areas include the lower face, neck, hands, and abdomen. SkinTyte works best on areas that have minimal fat. If an area has more fat, we can use SkinTyte in conjunction with cool sculpting to achieve optimal results. SkinTyte is a very easy and quick treatment. It is virtually painless. It feels like there is warm heat on the skin. We use a handpiece that rolls across the skin to gradually heat the skin up. At this point, collagen is being stimulated. It does take about 3 to 6 months to see results because it takes that much time for collagen and elastin to build in the skin. A series of treatments are required, and there is absolutely no downtime with SkinTyte. If you have any questions, please call the office at 513-791-9474 or visit yourwellnesscenter.com.